In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always sign out of Gmail after closing the Google Chrome browser. Have you ever found yourself still logged into Gmail just by reopening your browser, even after closing it, and wondered how to change that? If you're sharing computers or just keen on maintaining your privacy, logging out automatically can be a lifesaver. Let me walk you through the steps to ensure that every time you close Chrome, Gmail signs you out. First, let's go ahead and open Google Chrome. Once you have it up and running, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots, commonly referred to as the More or Hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. This action will reveal a drop-down menu full of options to explore. From here, you want to select Settings. This option will lead you to a page where you can adjust numerous aspects of Chrome's behavior, from the appearance to more advanced settings. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of this settings page. There is a column featuring various categories, and here you should choose Privacy and Security. This is the section where we get to tailor how Chrome handles your data and online interactions. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data or Delete Browsing Data. This is an essential step to ensuring your Gmail account signs out automatically. Go ahead and click on it, and a new window will pop up with further options. In this window, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Time Range. You want to set this to All Time. By choosing this comprehensive range, you ensure that all browsing data from the past is cleared, rather than just the most recent entries. This thorough approach is crucial for our goal. Now, it's important to make certain that cookies and other site data is selected. The reason being, when cookies are retained, they can keep you logged into websites like Gmail. By ensuring that cookies are cleared, you're ensuring that, upon closing the browser, Gmail signs you out automatically. Finally, once you've double-checked that your settings are correct, hit that Clear Data or Delete Data button. This action confirms your selections and clears the relevant information from your browser's memory. By following these steps, Chrome will no longer keep you signed into Gmail when you exit the browser. Every time you close Chrome, you'll be safely logged out, offering you added security and peace of mind. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in maintaining your online privacy, especially in environments where multiple users share the same device. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.